Tuesday. Today we are going to clarify a very common misconception that we have both been hearing from our sellers a lot lately. So guys, the as-is contract does not mean that they can't request any repairs, okay? If that is something that's important to you, it's very important that you speak with your realtor prior to listing to make it very well known and very clear that your intention is to not do any repairs, because that's something that needs to be explained up front, and we need to find the buyer that's going to agree to that. Okay, so as is simply the standard contract that we in Lake and Sumter County pretty much all write on, and it's to protect the buyer and give them the ability to have an out within a very short period of time at the beginning of the contract without them losing their earnest money deposit.
Yeah. So in Florida, there's two contracts that are popular, and one makes a commitment from the seller to the buyer for a certain number of dollars for repairs. So they anticipate that there are going to be some things that have to be taken care of, and so they're going to go ahead and commit to those before those concerns are raised. The other is the as-is contract, which does not make that commitment up front, but as Kate just said, that doesn't mean that there is no room to negotiate repairs. So if through an inspection something of concern does come up for a buyer, even if the offer was made on an as-is contract, there is still room to talk about how to handle that. So
Absolutely.
it's going to take some negotiation, some communication between the two parties, but still room to negotiate those repairs.
Yes. All right, so that's our tip for today. Remember that as-is does not mean that they can't request repairs. So if that's something that's important to you, make sure you're communicating that to your realtor prior to ever going in the market. We'll see you here, same time, same place, next Tuesday for Tip Tuesday. Have a good one.
Love having you. Bye-bye.